everyone! So today we're going to do something about the farm. But first, what do you see different? I have new glasses! Look! These are new because I couldn't see anymore. Yeah. So, let's start. First, we're going to need paint brushes, some paint, colors that you want to use. I'm going to use this one, a bowl with water, and something to clean your brushes. Okay, so first we're going to start by painting this one color pink because we're going to do a pig. Who likes pigs? I love pigs. How does the pig sound? Do you know? That's how a pig sounds. Okay, we're going to start painting. We are going to do the other one. We're going to do today a pig and a chicken because I love chickens. They are funny. Okay, so now the matte brush is clean. Maybe we're going to need to give it a little bit of more pink, like a second coat. We're going to use this one for the pig, not for the chicken. Shake, shake, shake. Wow! Look, it's turning yellow. Okay, now yellow. This one is done. Now we're going to do a fish. We're going to use this little one for the fishy. It's going to be red. I like color red. Can you make a fish face like this? Like a fishy? Look, the red one is stronger. Look. Because the yellow and the pink one, we can barely see it. But the red, wow, it's a nice red. Okay, we have red. Now we're going to let it dry. Okay, now that these rocks are dry, we're going to give it a second coat. Okay, oh. It fell. I'm going to start with yellow again. Ready? Now, red. Okay. Now, what color are we missing? Color pink. Wow, look, now we're going to let it dry again, okay? Now, let's take a look. I think this one is about ready. Let's see, the yellow one needs a third coat, so we're going to give it. Oh, yes, okay. Now it's yellow. Okay, now let's see color pink. Let's give it one more. Just one more. Okay, now that they are ready, we are going to do the details. Okay, so we're going to do this one. So this is going to be a little fish. So we're going to do eyes with color black. We're going to use this side of the paintbrush. Look. So we grab a little bit like this and we do little dots here. One on each side. Because fishes had 2 eyes. Like this. Ta-da! Okay, now we're going to do the mouth with a small paintbrush. Ta-da! It's happy. Look. Now we're going to do this. We're going to do the fins. And the tail. Like this. Look, so pretty. We have eyes and everything. So we have that. Now we're going to let it dry. It's a fishy. Now we're going to do the pig. For the pig, we're going to do the same. Let's see which side are we going to use. This side. Okay. So for the nose, we're going to do 2 little dots here. Like the pig. For the mouth, we're going to use this side. Like this. And for the eyes, we're going to use this one again. We're going to put here, big eyes, and one here. Okay. Now we are going to do the little tail. Okay, going to do it this side. Like this. So here we have the nose and the mouth, eyes, so he can look from both sides, and the tail. Now let's do our chicken. For our chicken, we're going to do 2 dots with color yellow, with color black for the eyes. Like so. Now that we have his eyes, we're going to do the beak. Pew, pew. Okay? We're going to use orange. A little bit of orange with a pin and a paintbrush, and we do the beak like it's like his mouth. So cute, right? Like, can you see it? So cute. Okay. Now the wings. Tiny chicken. Can you see? Okay, now that we have our friends, we're going to let them dry, and I hope you like this activity. You can use them to decorate your room, your house, or you can give one to your mommy and your daddy so they can use them to put, I don't know, paper. They can use it to press paper so it won't fly away. Okay, so I hope you like it. Bye.